Hi everyone, ready to learn some psychic magic? Yes, you could learn the powers of ESP, and I don't mean extra smelly perspiration. Okay, here's all we're going to do. I have this piece of paper here. I'm going to fold it in half, just like this, and I'm going to draw 2 circles on it. Here we go. Circle number 1. And circle number 2. Now these 2 circles represent my mind and my volunteer's mind. You notice my mind's a lot bigger. Yeah. Well, where the circles intersect, there's a third shape. It kind of looks like an eye, right? We're going to call this the third eye. That cosmic connector between our brains. Now, Miss Assistant, I'm going to ask you to write any word in the English language inside this eye. Don't let me see it. I'm going to turn around. Okay. Now, the only rule is you've got to write the letters legibly, transmitting that legible letter through your third eye to my third eye, clearly and plainly, so I get the image. Okay, yeah. Okay, show it to the audience. I'm not going to look. Show them what the word is.
Here's the word.
Okay, fold the paper in half now, so along the crease, so I can't see it.
Okay, so.
Okay, right along the crease and hand it
Right
to
along
me,
the crease. Okay.
so I can't see it. Okay, there's no way I could see this. I'm not looking at it. I'm going to tear this paper in many pieces. Destroy any evidence that there was even a word written on here. Okay, and I'm going to put all the pieces in your hand so you understand. Thank you. Nice hand. And now I'm going to try to get the word with my third eye. I see brilliant sunlight and green trees. It's a fun time. It's a seasonal time. It's a season. It's not pepper. It's not salt. It's summer. The word you're thinking about is summer. Let me see.
That's it.
Let me see. Summer! Ta-da! Now I know you're all excited and you want to know how I did this phenomenal trick. So I'm going to teach you. Okay, you ready? All you're going to need is a little piece of paper, a pen, and some pizzazz. Okay? Okay, so the first thing you do is you fold the paper in half. This causes a line to be in the middle. Now you're going to draw 2 intersecting circles here. You say one of the circles represents your mind. Now this circle represents my mind. Now you see how the circles overlap, and right in the middle is this other shape. That's the third eye. It's important that you control this to the middle of the paper, right there. It's right there in the middle. They have to write the word right there or else the trick doesn't work, okay? So let's put the word today is going to be I. Okay? Now let's say they write the word I. We've asked them to fold it so I can't see it. And when they hand it to me, I don't look at the paper. I look straight ahead and I tear off a third of the paper, not tearing the word in the middle, and I put it behind. It's always as you tear, you put it behind, okay? The next tear, I put it behind. Now the word I is right there, folded I'm not looking at it. Never look at the paper. Look straight ahead. Now you just turn it like this, and you tear again and put it behind the stack, right? This is leaving that top word right here. It's right there on top still, okay? So what I do is I do a finger palm of that word, and I hand the rest of the paper over to the person, or you could put it in an ashtray and light it on fire for all I care. It doesn't matter. The idea is they think that the word is written in this stack of papers, but it's really now on your lap. And you surreptitiously look at the word by looking down. This takes a little acting, okay? So pretend you're, ooh. Meanwhile, I'm looking at this word down here, and all of a sudden, you don't reveal it at first. You kind of like build it up until this climax, right? So I might say, I'm getting a vision. Oh yeah, it's about vision. It's about seeing. I know, I know, it's, the word is I, me heart eats. So you get the idea now. Practice tearing it and putting it behind, and tearing it and putting it behind, and turning and tearing and putting it behind, and then grabbing the word off. And, add your own special little personality to this and make it a lot of fun. Okay, remember, practice, practice, practice.